Hi, this is Mel. These Lo Shu grade videos are just for entertainment purposes. Please do not take them seriously. These are just to entertain you and give you some knowledge which was there for thousands of years. Lo Shu grade been practiced in Chinese astrology, also in Indian astrology, in Vedic astrology. So, and this just giving you some knowledge. It might benefit from knowledge and some remedies, but these are just for entertainment purposes and don't take them seriously. Hi, this is Melody. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today we're going to do a video on Lo Shu grade chart, and it's been requested, but I cannot mention the birthday. Usually I put random birthdays. I do not put exact birthdays. So if you did leave your exact birthday, you can just delete it. So this birthday was given to me by a subscriber, and now this birthday has 3 8s. 8 came 3 times, 9 came twice, there was 1 2 on 1 came once and 2 came once. Okay, so if 2 comes only once, which happened to this person's birthday, then the person is sensitive and relationship is good with life partner, relationship is good with children. If the children has only 1 2 in their birth chart, if they have multiple 2, then it won't be. And you are gentle, emotional, of course, and you do also have supernatural abilities, like you know the mind of others, you can read it. And of course you love your family very, very much. And if someone, you were like a really nice person and you don't get angry that much, but if someone does something bad to you or criticize you or talks about you and you're behind, then you get mad, but then your anger subsides quickly. It's not like a madness for a year. Little things makes you sad, and then also it blows off too. Like it don't stay sad forever, everything is just temporary. Now 1 came only once, that means your sun sign is very strong. You are very motivated and strong, and you have courage and confidence, and you can do things in your life because 1 came only once. And your best career would be leadership, or you're owning your own business, or you are the boss. So that will work out really good. So in your chart, 8 coming 3 times and 9 coming twice, 1 coming once and 2 coming once. So I already talked about the 2. Now 1 coming once is really great. It's great for career, success, job, business, communication, and be a leader personality, and good to be a leader or have own business, great communication skill, a lot of confidence and courage. So we cleared 1 and 2. Now we're coming 8 coming 3 times, and that is the problem. So if 8 comes 3 times in your birth chart, then your nature is serious. Okay, now even though 1 is there and 1 represents the sun, so you have a lot of benefit from having the strong sun, but still 3 8s makes the success come very hard after working very hard because of too many aids now. You want to do a lot of things and get a lot of material things, like possess a lot of worldly pleasurable things, and you want to enjoy all the good things life has to offer, and all comes because of repetition of eight. I want to do very expensive things, achieve and get and have. So you do not want to make any compromise when it comes to fulfill your desire to have expensive luxury items, which makes it very hard. And so as you want to have these things, also you kind of in a way very stingy, and then your planet is Saturn, and element for having too many eights planet is Saturn. So what you need to do is you need to please Saturn. On the Saturdays, eat vegetarian food, stay away from non-veg, and do good karma on Saturday. Pleasing Saturn is all about doing good karma, like doing something good for the poor, doing something good for the homeless, for women, for children, helping them out and being kind to them, and also be respectful to your elders, especially if you see any sick, handicapped people, help them. Be kind to animals, especially dogs, cats, any kind of, but especially dogs. So yeah, for you can please Saturn that way, and you can also do Saturday sunny prayer, sunny mantra. There are tons of it on YouTube. Sunny mantra, you can listen to it. Wear blue colored clothings, and make sure to eat vegetarian meals on Saturdays, and stay away from physical relationship on Saturday. So that's for pleasing Saturn, and because of multiple eights, so everything. And also you see, if you have many eights, you will have a lot of problem with plumbing and house related. Money will go on that. Now 9 coming twice, you have 9 coming twice is good for the person will have desirable characteristics, will be very wise, intelligent, idealistic, but at the same time person gets angry very fast and very stubborn. Do not listen to anybody. Whatever they say, that's the final word, and always very late on every place, like always late at every place. Do not reach any place on time. So these are the characteristics for having double 9, 2 9, one for the year for the birth, and another for the year 19. So it's 2 9 coming. So now these are the things about what the person have. Let's talk about the things that person does not have, and how it's going to affect the person. So what person does not have is 4. 4 is for luck, money, discipline, self-worth, power. Now having 3 8s, having 3 9, this, but then there is a 1, so that should make it, but still having 3 8s, 3 2 9, it makes the discipline go out of the window. So, and there is no 4. 4 makes very disciplined. So luck, money, discipline, self-worth, power, this comes from 4, which is missing. So element is soft wood, and planet is Rahu, and color is purple. So what you can do is you can have wooden things in your home, like buy wooden furniture, wooden pen, wooden things. Now missing three. Three is for health, planning, imagination, wisdom, and family, brothers and sisters. So missing three means there's no good relationship with brothers and sisters or family. So what you can do is keep green color plants in home facing east, or picture of green plants facing east. Now you do have plenty of eights, don't need to worry about that. Or when marrying, marry somebody who does not have a 9 or a 8. So then you can give 1 9 and 1 8, and you can reduce your 8 and 9s. So that also helps. And now missing 5. 5 is the for energy and stability. It brings balance and stability and is good for mental health. So for 5, as direction is the center of the home. So make sure your center of the home is clean and the ruler is Mercury. So in the center of the home, you always keep it clean because of not having 5. Now you don't have 5 is for like career, success, business, job, communication also, especially being fame, getting fame. 5 from 5 and 7, don't have 7. 7 is for children and creativity. So of not having 7, there will be usually don't have any kids. If they do have kids, will be a daughter, but that will also come many years later. Usually don't have 7. Usually they don't have a male child, be a female child. And so children, creativity, and a lot of disappointments in life from children, from life itself. So for 7 and for 6, both missing. Now for both of them, can wear a watch with the chain on the left hand. People stop wearing watches, but watches are really good, and you can get wind chimes having a 6 and a 7 dangling rods. So you can put the one with the 7 on the west and the 6 on the northwest. So 6 for friend, helpful people, jobs. So since there's no 6, it'll be hard to get a job, it'll be hard to keep a job, it'll be hard to find helpful people in life. So always have to hold on to your job tight, because once you lose it, it'll be very hard to get it, because there's not much helpful people in life. So there are a lot of good numbers which are missing, but we all miss numbers. We can't have perfect. I haven't seen a perfect one, so we have to just go by the remedy. So do the remedies and that should work. So this was a little video about the birthday someone